It looks so crazy, dude. We have the RB20 and all of the front suspension bits from the Skyline still in the back of the pickup truck. And we've gone ahead and cleaned up my shop. We moved the E30 way out there, and we're gonna be unloading all these parts to make space for an R32 front clip, because we gotta go pick that up. We also gotta go pick up a 240 shell.
Yeah, it's a long story.
Yeah. This is gonna be an interesting one. We're gonna fit a car and a half onto a single car trailer.
It'll be fine.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But first things first, we gotta unload all this shit and get the Skyline off the trailer, because that's still a thing.
It's a good day for a drive.
Yeah, no, it's pretty outside.
I'm gonna take a tour of Western Washington. Gotta go to Tacoma and Olympia, we hope, and maybe to Anacortes, I think.
We're cleared to go to Olympia.
Are we?
Yeah.
I know. All right. Well.
So, this is happening right now, and I changed the battery out because I felt like it needed to be filmed, and Samsquanch was man enough to hold the whole damn car.
So, wish us luck. Okay, so
This is gonna, I was gonna say, as soon as this starts rolling, I'm just gonna start running with this.
just drag it into the garage.
Okay.
Okay, it's about to get nuclear right now. Keep going. Keep pulling.
Watch out, watch out!
Okay, that's cool. It's cool. It's cool. We're stable.
Yeah. Roll back, so I'm just gonna fucking chill here for a minute.
Go for it. This is as far as I can go. All right, so now that the Skyline's in the garage, we are going to basically just pack up a bunch of tools, load up in the truck, and start driving to Washington, because we gotta pick up more parts for the Skyline and a 240 for no reason.
My city. No kidding. Pieces are coming together. You hear that?
We're at a pretty crazy shop right now, and they've got an R32 GTR running right now with an HKSV cam in it, and it is ultra gnarly.
Yeah, I think it's on the way to the dyno tonight, the guy said.
Yeah.
It's not the only one here, shall we say?
Yeah.
And they're crazy nice, like nice.
Yeah.
Not drift car nice.
These dudes build real cars.
Real cars, right. Okay. It's cold though.
It is freezing.
I'm shivering.
It is super cold.
Oh man.
Here. Get a lift. It's pretty on there.
It's alright, hell yeah.
Whew. All right, so we are stopped in Washington. I'm standing in front of a Home Depot, and Samsquanch and I have retrieved both of the hunks of Nissan that we set out to get today.
Nissan chunks.
This is a pretty crazy look. But we got an R32 front clip and then a whole ass 240 shell sitting on the back of the trailer. It's quite the scene.
We just bought 320 pounds of rocks.
Yeah.
Plus, this thing was bouncing all over because it's heavy in the rear, and this trailer's already biased to the rear anyway. So we just chucked them in here, and that ought to be enough to let the trailer pull better.
There's our R32 front clip and a Nissan 240 that I don't know what to do with anymore. Originally the plan was to take all of the front suspension off of this car and put it onto the R32, and then I would be running McPherson front suspension. But after the fact, after I already bought that 240, me and Samsquanch found the R32 front clip, and it was like no question to make sure that we got this thing. So the R32 will have proper front suspension, and we also just so happened to end up with another 240.
I don't even know what to say.
What the hell? It looks so crazy, dude. The next video is gonna be about the 240. Man, fuck. There's another car here. Trouble is, we can't have any more cars here. There's so many cars at my house. And there needs to not be another one. So we're kind of unsure what to do with it. The original plan was to take the hard top off of it and put it on the 1J Swap 240. But after getting the car, we realized that it's too close to being a car to like cut up like that, and it's really not bad, and it's a slick top and it's sick. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen with this 240, but if you guys have any fun ideas, let us know down in the comments.
Check that out.
It's got a drift button, man.
No, look at the vice grips, bro.
What?
We got a free pair of vice grips.
Oh yeah, to roll the windows up.
Yeah.
We should do that. Probably. Thanks for watching this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Got a front clip for the Skyline, and I'm super stoked about it. We'll see you in the next one. We're gonna fix the 240. Somebody put a car in the car on the car.